Oh dear. I think I've made an expensive mistake. So hey guys, yeah, as you guys have seen the intro, yes, I did made an expensive mistake. I did broke my iPhone 11 and it's pretty bad. As you guys can see, it's really bad. I can see the internal and it just fall off my working desk just like that, and it decided to shatter. It decided to fail on me, and there it goes. So there's a catch. I'm just gonna try to fix this phone by myself, and I'm gonna guide you guys through how to fix the back of this phone. I hope I don't make any mistake. I hope I don't screw this up. So let's see how this goes. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so to fix this phone you need few items in your hand. So the first one will be heat gun. You'll need this heat gun, or if you have a hair dryer, that will do the job. And then you would require the replacement part for the phone, the back of the phone. You can choose any color that you want. If you have a gold phone and you decided to make it black, just order the black one. Alright, and then a prying tool, a metal prying tool. Then this is the most important part, so you would require this. So this is the B7000 glue. So this is to use for the internals of electric equipments. So I hope it works. I hope it seals up the phone properly. So yeah, these are the items that you need. Before that, you need patience. Yes. So those are the items that you require to get started to fix this phone. So I'm going to guide you guys through. Let's see how this goes, and I'll catch you guys right back. I think there'll be a time lapse right now. Me fixing the phone, prying the tools and all that. So let's see how this goes. I think you guys have watched the time lapse of me fixing the phone. So now the question is, did I succeed or it was an expensive mistake? So let's check it out. I have my phone right here. I've cleaned up everything. So I've cleaned up my entire phone of the excessive glue, and I'll show a close up. You can see, all good, all clear. So without further ado, let's check whether the phone survived or not. Let's press the power button. Nope. We have something, so which means I didn't screw up the process. So let's see if it goes to the lock screen. This is getting nervous. It's taking quite some time to boot up. Come on. Hey! So we are at the home screen, and as you can see, my bedtime reminder is going on. So let's check out the phone whether everything works or not. Let's see if everything works or not. All right. So let me dismiss my bedtime reminder. Okay, everything works. Let's check out the camera. Okay, it focuses. Everything works. Okay. The wide angle works. The zoom works. So camera works. So I guess we have a good working phone. Oh, before that, let's see whether the charging works. So here's the phone. Oh, it works. No problem. It's charging, as you can see. And yeah, the Face ID works too. So everything is good to go. So that means I succeed, right? So let's talk about the experience of me fixing the back glass of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. To be honest, it's a tough job. I wouldn't recommend this for any other people to fix it at home unless you have experience working with mobile devices before. So I was pretty scared. I was pretty skeptical on what I was doing, but I was just going all out. I just want to fix the phone, and I just want to use the phone without the thick casing that I was using. I really don't like it, so I just want to fix my phone quickly, and I want to get it up and running. So I managed to fix it, and if you guys want to try it home, please go ahead, but do not do it on your primary device. If you have any spare device laying around, you may use it to perform this activity. Overall, it was a pleasurable experience for me. It was very challenging, it was very new, and yeah, I fixed it. So if I can fix it, you can fix it too. Just that, please be patient. Please be very patient during the process, and you'll be able to do it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.